Hey there, Norman here from WoCode, and today we're going to be taking a look at AI-generated sections. AI-generated sections streamline website creation by instantly producing beautifully designed sections from simple text prompts, saving time and enhancing design quality. Here we have our Prairie Animal Clinic template, and I want to use the AI Sections tool to generate a new section for this homepage that will serve as a How Our Business Started section. So let's jump right in. First thing we want to do is hover between these two rows that we want to add the new section to and click the blue Add Section button. We'll be greeted with this What Type of Section pop-up, where we can then choose the type of section we want to add. For this example, we'll click the AI Generated option, and here is where the magic happens. I'll quickly note that if you haven't already done so, you'll need to fill out your AI business profile. You'll be prompted to do that before entering the text prompts for your AI generated section. With that out of the way, let's jump right into creating our prompt. This is where you will add your prompt for what we want included in the generated section. We also have this very handy Need an Idea option, which can be used to help you put together a prompt if you don't already have an idea of what you want. So let's click that, and we can see we have various prompt options to get us started. This is going to be a section highlighting how our business started, so we can actually click the How Our Business Started prompt here, and we can see that prompt's been added to the text field. Let's open that Need an Idea panel back up, and I want to highlight our exceptional care and love for animals and years of experience in the field of veterinary care. So let's click the Intro That Highlights option, and we can see that that was added onto our prompt, and now we can simply add onto that prompt the additional information we wish to highlight by replacing the ellipsis. And I also want to specifically include an image of a dog. So let's add a prompt for that as well. Okay, and just like that, we have a full prompt ready to go for the AI Section Assistant to use to make us a unique section. We can now click the Generate button and let the AI Assistant work its magic. After a few moments, we're greeted with our new section, and now we can continue with this section if we'd like, or if we want, we can use this Regenerate button located at the top to have a new image generated or to regenerate both the text and images. We also have a number of different layout options on the left side, and if we cycle through them, we can see that the content begins to regenerate to fit into those different layouts. I also wanted to highlight that this Show More Layouts button that's available on the bottom of the panel, if these first few layouts aren't quite what you're looking for, you can use this button to have additional layouts be generated. I really like the first layout, so we'll select that one, and then we can use the Save Section button on the toolbar to save this section to the page. And just like that, we have our new section added to the page, and we can edit this section like we would any normal content. So let's go ahead and remove this button as we don't need it. And we can also resize this section so it's not quite as tall. Perfect. And just like that, in only a few moments, we've used the AI Section Assistant and a few simple prompts to create a brand new, uniquely crafted section for this site. Once again, my name is Norman Durkee, and you've been rocking with the best website platform on the planet, WoCode.com. And as always, and until next time, if you have any questions, please reach out to support. We're always here to help.